Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying the essentials so app access works. First, check your Samsung model year and Tizen OS in settings. This tells you if the native YouTube app is supported. Next, make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi or a wired Ethernet connection because streaming requires steady bandwidth. Finally, sign into your Samsung account on the TV. This unlocks the Smart Hub and lets you download or update apps. Once done, move to the Smart Hub to find YouTube. Now you'll access the Smart Hub and either open YouTube or install it. Press Home, choose Apps, then use the search field to type YouTube. Use the remote's directional pad for speed. If you see Install, select it and wait for installation. If Open appears, launch the app. If YouTube doesn't show up, update your TV firmware in settings to add compatibility, then revisit apps. Make sure the TV restarts after updates so the app appears correctly. Finish by signing into YouTube so subscriptions and history sync. Open the app, select Sign In, then either pair with your phone via the YouTube mobile app or complete the on-screen code at YouTube.com/pair. Pairing simplifies search and playback control. If playback fails or the app crashes, restart the TV first, then clear the app cache or reinstall YouTube. As a last resort, reset Smart Hub to restore app listings. If problems persist, verify network and firmware again before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.